Lilith Cavaliere is a youthful 19 years of age Australian TikTok character. At only 19, she has made herself famous everywhere throughout the world through her stunning TikTok recordings. She is well known for his viral lip synchronizing and different sorts of TikTok recordings. Lilith Cavaliere was born in the year 2000. What's more, she praised her birthday on each 28th day of December. Recall the date in case you're her fan to wish her on her birthday. No data is accessible about her scholarly foundation and her adolescence. As indicated by the zodiac schedule, her introduction to the world sign is Capricorn. Lilith holds an Australian nationality. Be that as it may, we have no information on her ethnic foundation. Lilith stands the stature of around 5 feet and 3 inches. Her body weight and other body estimations are not accessible.